Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to transfer money from bank to Cash App. So to transfer money from bank to Cash App, you need to follow the steps. So what here you need to do is to transfer money from bank to Cash App. You need to first of all open the Cash App application and log in. After which you want to click on this icon at the bottom right hand side, at the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, you have to simply go ahead and click on Add Cash Options. So when you click on the Add Cash Options, what next you need to do is enter the exact amount that you wish to add and click on the Confirm or Add button. And next, you have to go ahead and make sure to link your bank account. So you could go ahead and read the terms and conditions, all that, and click the Continue button. Next field, you have to go ahead and link or select the particular bank that you wish to add, and then you have to go and simply enter the details of your bank account. And once done entering the details of your bank account, then you could initiate a transaction from the bank, and that is how you could transfer money from bank to Cash App. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.